What's going on, guys? We're bringing a video. Today, I'm over at my little nephew's house. We're having a little cookout. We got family here. Hopefully they don't ask me weird questions because they usually ask me real questions when I'm talking to my phone. But what they don't understand is that it's YouTube and people are just gonna be watching this video. They don't understand that, so they're gonna make fun of me probably. So just listen carefully. I'm sure everybody will see what their name is.
Max, if I let you out?
My dad, you already know who he is. Okay, that's enough. My mom. Mommy, look. Mommy, my dog. Yeah.
You done?
Who am I?
Okay. Now you gotta go over and get
Nody.
Brother.
Now,
Brett.
Do you want cheese pies?
put the plate down.
Brother.
That should be automatic.
Whatever you want. There's a pork chop in
You
there.
want corn?
Brody.
But you want pork chops, dude.
Melissa.
Red beans and rice?
They're breaded.
Jasper.
One of the kids to sit
They're
right here?
breaded, honey.
Desiree.
Potato wedges?
Make-
So you just want cheese puffs and a hamburger. You can't have complicated.
Now you better if you don't want.
There you go.
Here, Buzz.
There you
I'm
go.
like in sit in Brody's little table. Brody ain't sitting there.
Oh, thank you,
Brody
honey.
can sit in my chair.
Sister.
My
sister.
Hello? Let me throw these out.
No, I'm gonna sit in it,
Throw
okay?
them out to the.
Is it okay if I use your
Family.
chair to sit?
There might be a chair in the
Oh,
garage.
I hope you
Oh, to let you know, you guys probably don't recognize me because I got my glasses.
Yeah, we're
Oh, okay.
brothers. We're brother and sister.
You think pork chop?
See,
You
look.
sit in it?
Breaded pork chops.
Making pictures.
How I used to look like.
What are you doing, honey?
He's going to that little yellow table.
Virgos and
right?
everything.
He's going in there to the yellow table helping.
Okay.
I've got them blue squeezy bottles things. He wants one.
What's over here?
Where are you going to eat
I
at?
don't know, but I'm gonna get some food. Where's the plates at?
Do I want please sit down?
Just sit down here at the table, baby. Sit right down here in the back if you want.
Man, Ryan bought the Heiners brand big stuff.
Cameron,
Oh,
you go
Now over here's cups. The drinks are in the fridge.
Oh,
There was a napkin there.
Oh, there's
Paper towel.
here.
no. Chicken.
Like somewhere else.
Oh, wait.
Here, here.
Thank you.
I'll get them out here.
Go ahead, Cameron.
There's some napkins right on the table too.
I'll wait till you move the plate so I can put mine down.
I thought somebody was gonna sit at the little table. Spoons are somewhere, I don't know where. Spoons are on the table. Okay. Somebody will have to have a spoon with the corn. Are you eating
My other
corn?
brother is somewhere.
Okay. Don't throw that over there, that's your napkin.
Ricky, don't.
I bought some Sprite if you want it for you.
Okay.
Your dad said you're allowed to drink it.
I was falling. No.
Where's Ron?
Steak.
Somebody can sit right here.
Chicken.
Are you gonna eat Ron?
Burger time.
Out here.
Trying to get me a burger.
Where'd you get that?
What?
Because if you guys get hungry on this, leave a like.
Buy a fresh fridge, honey.
I got it.
What the crap happened?
Get you a
Holy
shot. Right, set it up
colossal.
over. You're using that.
What? Oh.
Brody, are you sitting at the table?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this.
It's in your high chair. Hold it over here next to the kids. Or you
Barbecue.
About the kids.
Wonder, still I wonder.
Here's the trash.
He's singing.
Yeah.
Ketchup.
Those Cheetos stink.
Wait a second, guys. I'll put my ketchup on.
How dare you walk back there?
You're doing a pretty good job, aren't you? Go like this, like that. Oh boy, that's the last of it. There you go.
Cameron!
There's your napkin. Are you gonna eat a hamburger?
No bucket, it's just
Liza's
crust.
gonna eat a hamburger?
It's crust.
Oh.
It ain't no yucky.
Oh.
Braxton, the other guy on the channel, is at a water park right now.
Go to the zoo?
At a water park, he's staying there all day. Sadly, they can't be posting video. Yeah. Hey, me, mom. Yeah, Braxton.
Hi, Brax.
Wait, no, what?
Just like a bear. Its face is like
I thought you was talking to him.
No.
Somebody posted on Facebook there was a
The
bear in
freak?
Somerset Park.
Sorry. I thought he was talking to Brax.
It depends if he
Somerset.
depends if he sees the video.
Somerset. I didn't get that part out, did I?
Tell Nana what you petted. You wasn't supposed to pet it.
a giraffe.
No one's supposed to pay it?
Well, then they come right up to the edge and took their necks over, and everybody's petting them, and some kid had some crackers.
Oh.
And the tumble's like
not
this.
What can I sit at?
feed 'em.
Long time.
What can I sit at?
Right there.
That's some corn, by the way.
I do.
Well, there's a chair way over there you can sit at. Put down your phone.
No.
What do you want on here? You got something on here? Okay.
Look at Mom.
That's a pork chop. There's your red beans and rice.
That soup has some
come
exist.
on.
You get right at the end.
That's red beans and rice. You having some?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Well, you need to sit at the table, so find you a place to scoot the chair up.
Cooking.
There's spoons on the table.
Some corn and
You
beans.
ain't got room.
You talking about?
Your potatoes.
Come back and get them.
Okay.
Where you gonna sit?
Oh no.
You can sit at the table with the
Okay.
kids.
Well, Desi's a kid too.
But you gotta have something to drink if you want.
I'll get you a drink. Right there.
Oh, he's outside somewhere.
Brody.
Where you cook that?
Brody right here.
Look at my masterpiece.
Brody?
No, Roger.
In there.
Brad's supposed to come by here in about 30
You want one of these,
Well, I
Cal?
have to eat the tail skin.
You got it, yeah.
It's disgusting.
Oh, yeah.
Here.
Ready?
Put your phone down, please.
What?
He does.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll eat.
Why not? Oh, what kind?
Sit down here when you're right.
Who you filming too?
You too?
YouTube.
Yeah.
is eating.
Yeah. Why? Why not? Hey.
Oh, Lord.
This is me eating right before you play GTA 5. Right?
I'll play it anymore.
You don't play GTA 5 no more? Why?
I have. Oh, okay.
It's good.
Brad! Hey, Goober.
There you go. Look at what that. Oh God.
Hey, buddy.
Brad.